10th class student, exercise 13.3, surface areas and volumes. Question number 7. 7 is a bucket, cylindrical bucket. That is could be figure cylindrical bucket full of the sand and heap of the conical heap. Cylindrical buckets and conical heap. Radius of R is equal to 18 semi. Height of the bucket is equal to 32 semi. Volume of sand is equal to pi r square. H is formula. Pi is pi and r is 18. H value is 32. Semi cube is volume of the sand. Pi into 18 into 18 into 3, 32. Conical heap radius will be find at first. Height is equal to 24 cm. Volume of sand 1/3 pi r square. H is formula. 1/3 pi r square into h value is 24. 3 divided by 24 is 8. 8 r square pi semi cube will be volume of the sand. According to question, 8 r square pi is equal to pi into 18 into 18 into 32. R square is equal to pi into 18 into 18 into 32 upon 8. 8 pi divided by pi, 8 4 ja. After the square, 18 into 18 into 4. R is equal to 18 into 2 is equal to 36 semi. 36 semi will be radius of conical heap. To find the L slant height is formula is h square plus r square. L is equal to under root 24 square plus 36 square. L is equal to 12 square is common, 22 square plus 3 square is after the under root. L is equal to 12 under root 4 plus 9 square 2 and 3 after plus 12 under root 13 semi will be slant height of the conical lip. Question number 7 is complete. Question number 8. Question number 8 is a canal measure of canal. L is wide is equal to B is equal to 6 meter and deep H is equal to 1.5 meter. Length of the speed L is equal to speed is 10 km per hour. Question in given 30 minutes. In 30 minutes L will be 1/2 into 10 km 2 by 500 meter change into km into meter. तो वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फॉलो वाटर is equal to L into B into H 6 into 1.5 into 5000. After multiply 4500 meter cube is equal to water follow in 30 minutes. This water can be irrigate let the area of part is equal to x meter square. Standing water standing water is needed is equal to 8 semi. 8 semi change into semi, 8 upon 100 meter. Volume of water is equal to area into 8 upon 100 meter cube will be standing water. According to question, area into 8 upon 100 is equal to 4500 meters cube. Area will be is equal to 4500 into 100 upon 8. Divide by 2 and divide by 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. After multiply, volume will be 45,000. After multiply will be 56254000 meter square will be area of part where water is standing in 8 semi. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 9 is a farmer pipe diameter measure of pipe measure of tank is cylindrical, diameter is equal to 10 meter, radius will be 10 upon 2 divided by after is 5 meter. Height of the tank is equal to height or deep is equal to 2 meter. Volume of water pi r square h is formula, pi into r value is 5 and h value is equal to 2. Pi into 5 into 5 into 2, after multiply 50 pi meter cube is capacity of the tank. Water capacity filled by pipe measure is diameter is 20 semi. Radius will be 20 upon 2 is equal to 10 semi is equal to 10 upon 100 meter. 0 divided by 0, 1 upon 10 is throw the pipe at rate H will be 3 km per hour. Volume of water through pipe pi r square h is formula of the cylindrical pipe. Pi into 1 upon 10 square into 3 km will be changed into meter, 3000 meter. 3000 pi into 1 upon into 3000, 0 by 0, 30 pi. Meter cube will be pipe through the pipe. 35 meter cube is taken time to fill. The tank. 50 pi upon 30 pi. Pi 0 by pi 0 by and 5 upon 3 hour change into minute. 320 and 5 100 minute. Taken the pipe to fill the conical cylindrical tank. Thank you.